Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 312. If we start with this box, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 9 here, so this is our 7. 3 here, so 9, 3. For this row, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 6 covering here and a 6 covering here, so our 6 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 7, 8, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 9, 4. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 1. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. That 7 makes this our 8, 7. For this column now, we're missing a 9. For this column, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here. So 3, 2. For this box, we're missing 5 and 8. And I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5, and that 5 makes this our 8, 5. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing a 2. And for this box, we're missing a 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you again tomorrow with our next puzzle.